We're having fun today. Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers right here in Junction City, Oregon, January 2019. A little brisk day, but we're making it. Got some great news. This is a 2019 Winnebago 170X on an 18 chassis. Why is that so special? Boy, the 19 chassis are going up $10,000. Going to get a huge savings on a real nice unit. Let me take you through it. We'll pop inside and just see what we got. Gorgeous interior, great lighting. Come on back here. So you have a power bed. The couch comes down, which you can sit 3 people. It powers down, makes into twin beds. The fill-in for here is on the back door. And then you use these cushions to fill this space in for a nice queen king size bed. You have got you've got your controls here for your lighting, 110 USB ports, TV, you got cup holders on both sides, entertainment center is right up in here, DVD player, place to store a bunch of stuff for your entertainment. Nice deep storage here in the back, full arm length. And Winnebagos do use a 24-foot chassis, so that's why it's so deep. But they use it all on storage. Are you getting this storage deal here? I'm laying down. A lot of storage. I know it's a van, but it still has a lot of storage. Now these do have a lock that you push down for travel. They do sell closed, but you got to lock them. Convection microwave, they made it fit. And then positive latch. Got good drawers, storage space. Compressor refrigerator. No propane on board, 110 12 volts, very efficient. Not sensitive to being not perfectly level. And that's just a corner. Nice stainless steel sink. 3 burners. You can take this grill out, clean everything into the sink and finish up. Bathroom. This makes it nice because the doors actually get out of the way so Jim could get the camera in. Hanger space up on top. You do have a vent, power vent with a light. They really think that it's going to keep the toilet paper dry? Well, anyway, good intentions. Towel hanger. This is your hot and cold. Got a switch here to turn on your shower nozzle. This is not stand in here and just turn this. You have to put it in the sink, get it the right temp, and sit down and rinse, turn it off, scrub, rinse off. You got 30-some gallons of water. You're not going to stand here and let the water run unless, of course, you're in a park. In that case, you probably wouldn't be in this little shower. You'd probably be inside. There we go. Okay, we got one more storage area up here, up front. Got light package all the way around. Light controls are right here. This is a sensor, inverter control, touch screen. You can go through all your different awning, go back, light control, auto start for the generator, all your tank capacities. So it's all right here. Solar controllers here. Seats all turn around. They have a table that goes in the middle, of course, so everybody can eat, play cards, and visit. Let's go take a peek on the outside. It's got an awning control down here. That disconnect is right next to it. electric awning. Does have a wind sensor. Does have hookups out here for 110 and 12 volts. There's your table I told you fills in there. Well, that's where you store it at. If you don't need it, it's right there out of your way. This is an access panel down below for your winterization. It does have a little storage capacity down there as well. So another nice thing. Boy, my shoulder hurts today. It's got a pull-down screen or privacy. Either way. This one has the optional luggage rack up on top with your ladder that unhooks, goes on both sides of the unit so you can access your storage space up on top. Whether it be a ski rack, a kayak rack, or a luggage pod for extra storage up on top, this ladder and that luggage rack can handle it, and you'll be smiling the whole time. Exhaust for your propane generator, Alcoa wheels. Exhaust for your Truma, 110 hookup. Outdoor shower. Macerator system, all your dump station. Okay, that one's undone. There we go. And there's your propane tank. Behind this door, of course, is the small door where it has your diesel fill. Stops anybody from putting something down it or taking it all out. I know you've got questions. You must. Who are you going to call? The van guy. My number's on the screen. Heck, you can call me direct at 541-554-9581. I appreciate you taking the time. I look forward to talking to you. Thank you.